everybody. We learn if for first time. Hi Chandru.
Hi Ramkumar.
If you become an engineer, what will you do?
If I become an engineer, I will build strong bridges. Ramkumar. If you become a doctor, what will you do?
If I become a doctor, I will help the poor patients.
Hi Arvind.
Hi Daya. If you become a pilot, what will you do?
If I become a pilot, I fly in the air. Hi Arvind. If you become a police, what will you do?
If I become a police, I will arrest the accused.
Hi Maisari.
Hi Ramya.
If you become a writer, what will you do?
If I become a writer, I will write novel. If you become a dancer, what will you do?
If I become a dancer, I will become a dance master.
Hi Kavya.
Hi Kalmini.
If you become a nurse, what will you do?
If I become a nurse, I will help the poor patient.
If you become a singer, what will you do?
If I become a singer, I will sing in the cinema.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.